Hello, Jessica here, your Facebook advertising expert. Recently, I've worked with a childcare provider. It was a brand new business. The doors hadn't even opened yet, and they approached me to help connect with their local community and promote their services on Facebook and Instagram. Over a 6-month period, we worked together, working hard on developing and implementing a Facebook marketing strategy that would portray the business's brand and personality and give the new business a real fighting chance in becoming a success within the community. Being a childcare provider, ideally the people who would use their service would live within 5 kilometers of that business address. So as you can imagine, our Facebook audience wasn't very large. Over the 6 months of consistently advertising, by the time the doors opened, that childcare provider was 80% full. What a fantastic result for a business that hadn't even opened yet. So this week, I wanted to stress with everyone that local businesses, even though you may be promoting your services to a small amount of people living in your local community, you can have the same success as the larger companies who promote their products and services Australia-wide or even worldwide. All you need is the right tools and a little know-how. To help you get started, I have an ebook, 5 mistakes local businesses make and how to avoid them. Download this ebook and start your journey on promoting your local business on Facebook and Instagram. Until next week, everyone.